In just a few seconds, I might get a buy trade. Oh, I did. I got the buy signal on the Euro USD. So I am going to place a buy order. So I'm in the trade right now, and I'm going to place my stop loss just under this swing low. And my take profit is going to go to 1-to-1. So with this being placed, the trade or the signal happened on this one candle here. We got the candle close above the array. The array is nice and spread out. So we've got this really nice looking array. The leading edge is above the trailing edge. We've got the arrow underneath the candle. We have the validator dot turned green at the time of that signal on this one candle. And during this pullback phase, the trend indicator had stayed green throughout this whole process. Now, what I'm going to do is let this trade run, and when it is going to hit our take profit, I will come back. This trade worked out pretty nice. We had a good surge forward and we got our take profit hit. This was a beautiful trade thanks to the Forex Profitude trading system, and I'll see you in another live trade video. In just a few seconds, we could be getting a buy signal on the Euro USD. Now, we've got the buy signal, so I am going to get into a trade. I'm in a buy trade right now. So my stop loss is going to go just under the swing low. My take profit is going to be 1-to-1. So we're moving it just up here. And at this point, I'm simply going to let the trade play out. So on the close of this one candle, the array was completely green, and the leading edge was above the trailing edge. Now, at the time of this signal, we got the trend indicator to turn green. So we have that first instance of that green trend indicator. So when we've got that green trend indicator and we do have the signal to go long, this is a valid buy trade. So from here, I'm simply going to let this trade play out. And when we get our take profit hit, I will be back. This trade hit the take profit. It was fairly easily done. It did take a little while, but we weren't in any real risk of getting stopped out. This was another fantastic trade thanks to the Forex Profitude trading system.